Hey guys, thanks for coming back to the channel, checking out another video. Today we're at the Gulf State Park in Gulf Shores, Alabama at Lake Shelby, which you can kind of see behind me. I had to come a little ways along down the path here to start recording. The wind is just howling across that lake and couldn't hardly get any video. But we're gonna go put in some miles today, check out a few places, hopefully see some wildlife that the state park has to offer. And hope you enjoy it. Let's get to rucking. It's really windy today. The weather's beautiful, but it's windy. Decided to try to get into some of these primitive trails just to see if I could knock some of that wind down. But it's gusting today. That's fun out here. Go to a gym, all you do is see other people. You can experience the wildlife. It's pretty neat. Alright guys, that's going to do it for today's video. If you liked it, hit the like and subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. Got some good miles in today. Saw a couple alligators. Beautiful weather today, just a little windy. All in all, pretty solid day. We'll catch you next time.